Hi, I'm Brandon with Diamond Kote Building Products. Today I'm going to show you how fast and easy Diamond Kote's outside corner installs versus building a corner on site using Diamond Kote trim. Diamond Kote offers a complete siding system designed to install faster and create a seamless finished appearance. Using Diamond Kote's outside corners eliminates the need for on-site fabrication, reducing potential errors and saving you time on the job. Building outside corners on-site requires additional steps to complete install, adding time to your project and in turn costing you money. Let's see how the two compare. Diamond Kote's outside corners arrive pre-assembled with a lock joint, allowing you to cut out extra steps like ripping the trim, pre-drilling holes, and extensive touch-up. The Diamond Kote outside corner installs in just a few simple steps, and about a third of the time compared to building your own corner. Our outside corners have built-in nailing flanges to keep nails off the face of the corner, significantly reducing the amount of touch-up and creating a more refined look. Diamond Kote's corners save you time on the job to get more done in a day without compromising craftsmanship and appearance of the project. Whether you've installed Diamond Kote for years or are new to the product, Diamond Kote's outside corners are guaranteed to increase efficiency on your job site. They are just one of many products in Diamond Kote's complete siding system to reduce time on the job site without sacrificing quality. To learn more about our time-saving complete siding system, go to diamondkotesiding.com and request a meeting with your local Diamond Kote representative. Thank you for watching.